It's mid-autumn in South Australia, an excellent time to be in the garden. And now is also a good time to shape things in your garden ready for winter and spring. Here's just a few ideas and things that you can do in South Australia in mid-autumn. In April, it's a good time to get planting. The focus this month is on citrus. There are plenty of varieties of citrus out there, including lemons, limes, oranges. Citrus are a great addition to your garden. They have glossy leaves, beautiful smelling flowers, and they just look good all year round. And whenever you're planting in a citrus in a pot, always use a good premium potting mix. There's a lot to choose from. If you're not sure, just come in and see one of our garden experts who will help you. For a pop of colour, you can consider pansies, violas and lobelia. You may want to think about investing in some edibles. Consider carrots, leek and garlic, and even celery are good to go now. A good tip, don't plant garlic near peas or beans as they don't get along. Don't forget our perfect plant promise. All plants except seedlings are guaranteed for 12 months. If you're not 100% happy, return your plant with your receipt and we will refund you. From your vegetable garden, there should always be plenty to harvest this time of the year, especially things like celery, peas, lettuce varieties, and then you have your herb varieties such as parsley, rosemary, and also chives. Now that the weather's cooler, it's a great time to be out in the garden and doing all your maintenance tasks. Autumn is all about pruning. Prune evergreen shrubs to promote growth and cut back any herbaceous perennials that may need it. Apply a complete fertiliser to garden beds and veggies to give your plants a boost. Give the lawn some love too. Patch repair any summer damage and add a complete fertiliser. If you want lawn advice, pop into our store and talk to our experts. Autumn is a great time to be in the garden. Carry out your maintenance and reap the rewards later. Come into your local Bunnings and see any of our experts, and they can show you all the products that will be great for your garden. Click here for more garden advice, or click here to go to the website.